There have been numerous leaks surrounding the Pixel 8a lately, including renders posted by veteran leaker Evan Blass. These images showcase the phone in various colors like blue, green, black, and white/beige or mint, bay, obsidian, and porcelain, as previously rumored. The renders also reveal the front of the device, displaying slightly thick bezels. With these leaks, alongside previously surfaced renders and real-world images, we're getting a clear picture of what the Pixel 8a might look like. Leak specifications suggest it will feature a mid-range Tensor G3 chip, a 4,500 mAh battery supporting 27W wired charging, and a rear camera setup consisting of a 64-megapixel primary sensor and a 12-megapixel secondary sensor. The Pixel 8a is anticipated to debut next month, likely during Google's annual Google I/O conference. As the launch date approaches, more details about the phone, including pricing, are expected to emerge. Recent leaks also include information about potential case colors, with a tipster revealing a surprising fifth coral pink option. This unexpected addition could follow a strategy akin to Apple's mid-cycle releases. Regarding pricing, reports suggest that the US prices for the Pixel 8 will remain unchanged from last year, with the 128 gigs variant priced at $499 and the 256 gigs variant at $599. For Indian consumers, pricing might start around Rs. $44,999, similar to last year's strategy. Rumored features for the Pixel 8 include a Google Tensor G3 chip, 7 years of security updates, an OLED display with a 120Hz refresh rate, and artificial intelligence enhancements seen in the Pixel 8 series. Thank you so much for watching this video. If you enjoyed the video, remember to give a like to the video and subscribe to the channel. And I see you in the next video. Peace out.